Hello again. Namaste. I'm
Namaste.
Venus.
How are you feeling?
Mm. I'm feeling a lot of gratitude, specifically around just meeting this goddess Kamakhya, that my desires are welcomed and that there's a place for them and a path that they lead to liberation feels like something I have just been searching for. So I feel a renewed hope about tapping into a nurturing, mothering energy that allows the whole of me to be loved and embraced. And yeah, it feels really special.
Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing your experience and how desire can be a path and not be something that we ridicule or be ashamed of. That's so liberating. Thank you.
Thank you.